There's a new AI agent coding platform on the market that's competing with Cursor, Claude Code, Windsurf, all these tools. It's made by Alibaba. The most important thing is that it's currently free to try and it boasts a lot of advanced features. So I'm going to download it and give it a shot and let's see how it does. So now I've downloaded it, I'm just going to install it. Okay, and we're in. So let's get started. I'm going to import from Cursor. I like dark mode. Let's sign in. Okay, and we are in. I've opened up a previous project. Now the interface looks very familiar. There's nothing, it looks like it's based off Visual Studios as well, so looks pretty simple. Let's open the terminal. Okay, the terminal is there. And I wonder if I can open Claude Code from this as well. And let's see if it recognizes the MCP servers I have. Yep, so it is working. Okay, so I'm trying to chat with it and it says sorry, something went wrong, so let's try again. Oh, it's working now. Okay, so it's off to a good start. It's got the terminal, everything's familiar with me, so now the real test. Let's try to implement a feature. I'll have a web app that's a library of all my best prompts, and currently whenever you use one of the prompts, it records a number of copies. So this has 3 copies, some has 0. And I want it sorted by number of copies. And so let's see if it can do that. For the prompt library, order the prompts in order of the number of copies it has had. You'll need to check the Supabase database for the number of copies for each prompt. Then let's see if it can actually implement the feature. The interface and the output and everything is very similar to Cursor right now. I'm quite impressed because it's a very familiar interface and I can get into it quite quickly. Considering that it's free at the moment, this is very impressive. Now the key question is, can it actually implement the feature? Because I've tried some other free AI agents out there and the results have not been good. So that's a deciding factor here. And right now it's running through some tests. It realizes it's not working and then fixing it itself. So that's also nice to see that it's running some tests on its own without me opening up, seeing the issue and then coming back to tell it. It's discovering the issues by itself. Okay, and it's done. So let me go back and check. Let's refresh the page. Whoa, and it is ordered by the number of copies for each one. So it successfully implemented my feature. For something that is completely free, this is actually really good. I'll give this a 9 out of 10 because number 1, it works. Number 2, if you're using Cursor or Windsurf or Ruclo or Klein or any Visual Studio based editor, this is very familiar. And so based on those 2 points, I give this a really high rating of 8 out of 10. Now I have to implement more features to find out how good it is, because at the end of the day, it's about whether it can produce what you want. The only downside is you cannot choose your LLM. So apparently it uses a combination of Qwen 3 Qoder, Claude, GPT, and Gemini, and it automatically routes it. So the downside is you cannot choose your LLM, but it doesn't matter as long as the output is good. So I would recommend using Qoder, especially now that it's free.